Today we will be talking about how to add a conclusion to your writing. In Spanish, you say conclusión, or if I'm going to conclude something, concluir. That's the ending of something. That's how I wrap it up um, or finish what I'm trying to say or what I'm trying to write. So we've talked about topic sentences before, oraciones de tema. I do it like this. Topic sentence, details, conclusion. Try it with me. Topic sentence, details, conclusion. Those are the three main parts of what you need when you're writing a paragraph. So how do you do it? Let's take a look at an example. So here I have a paragraph. I have a topic sentence, what my whole paragraph is about. I love spending time with my family. Now I'm going to tell you why. One reason is because we think of creative projects to do together. Sometimes we build and other times we paint. Another reason is because we cook together. Tacos are a favorite. Now, I included a topic sentence. I included two details, projects and food or cooking, but I didn't finish my story. I stopped with my details, but I didn't add more. So now I'm going to do them. So let me add a few colors here. So I started with my topic sentence. Then I added in two details, and I started with transition words. One reason and another reason. Now I need to add my conclusion or my ending. So let's see. Family time is important and special to me. Did I say the exact same thing? Not exactly. I put it in different words to wrap up how I feel because this paragraph was all about how I feel. So I'm going to underline my conclusion in red because it's going to conclude or stop my idea, my story, or my paragraph. So let's think about some other ways that we can conclude. Sometimes we might have transition words. So we might start our conclusion with words like, in summary, or many times people say, to summarize. We might also use words like in conclusion. You might also use words like obviously, clearly, or something like therefore. It depends what you're talking about as to which one works for your story or your paragraph. Now, let's think about what kinds of conclusions or how we could do this. Well, I like to think about it like this. What do you want the reader to think about? What do you want them to remember? Or what do you want them to do? So sometimes it's important just to think about something, maybe ask a question at the end. Sometimes you might want them to remember something. That might be like a summary, telling the most important parts. Sometimes it's going to be what you want them to do. So some kind of action, like you want them to try it out too. Give it a try on your own to think about a story that you have written. How could you conclude or end your story?